Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and play Fortnite on any Redmi phone. Now over here I am using the Redmi 15, but this should work out for literally any Redmi phone you have, and I'm going to be showing you two ways to go about downloading and installing Fortnite on your Redmi phone. So if the first method does not work out for you, trust me, the second method is going to work out pretty well for you. Now first things first, you want to head over to any browser of your choice. I'll be using the Google Chrome browser from over here. And once your browser opens up, at the top search input field, you want to just go ahead and search for Epic Games. Click on the enter button, and the first result at the top should be the official Epic Games website. Just go ahead and select that. Now in case you do not know, Epic Games are actually the official developers of Fortnite, so this is particularly the same as the official Fortnite website. Now at the top you're going to see the install button. Just go ahead and click on that. Now scroll all the way down, you're going to see the install on Android. Go ahead and click on that, and automatically this should actually prompt you to install the Epic Games Store, from where we can now get Fortnite into your Redmi phone. Now you're also going to get this warning letting you know that installing apps from unknown sources is harmful, but you don't have to worry. This is actually the official Fortnite website. And as you can see, it is actually store.epicgames.com. So just go ahead and click on the install anyways. Give it a couple of seconds, and once the download is completed, you can go ahead and open it up. If you do not see that prompt, you can also go ahead and check the download section of your browser to find the Epic Games Store APK file. Just go ahead and select it from over there. And now you're going to be prompted to give the Google Chrome browser permission to install apps from unknown sources, as you can see from over here. So click on settings, and I'll go ahead and turn on the allow from unknown sources permission. Give it a couple of seconds. Once the countdown is finished, you want to click on the check button over here, then click on OK. And now you can go ahead and install the Epic Games Store into your Redmi phone. So click on the install button. Give it a couple of seconds to install as well. Now the installation is completed. You might also have to go through the Xiaomi or Redmi security. Once it is done, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or just exit. You should now have the Epic Games App Store on your Redmi phone. So if I come over to the top, you can see the app over here. Go ahead and open it up, and then you just want to proceed to set it up. So click on the get started button over here. You'll also be required to sign into your Epic Games account. If you do not have an account, you can go ahead and create an account at the bottom over here. But if you have yours, whether it's from another console like your PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo, you can as well sign in with any of those options from over here. I already have an account, and I'm going to be signing in with my Google account from over here. And now you'll be taken to this page. Just click on continue. And as you can see, I am now successfully signed into the Epic Games Store on my Redmi phone. Now what you just want to do is to come over to the top search bar once you're signed in, or once you create an account and log into the Epic Games Store. Click on the search icon at the top, then proceed to search for Fortnite. Now you can literally see the Fortnite game app over here. Go ahead and select that, and then proceed to click on the download button from over here. Once you tap on it, the Fortnite game will start downloading and installing into your Redmi phone. Now this is not going to work out for every Redmi phone. For some phones, you're going to get the prompt that your phone does not meet the requirements to download Fortnite, but you don't have to worry. I have a second method that will still help you to download and play Fortnite on your Redmi phone. Now once the download is completed, you will also be required to give the Epic Games Store application permission to install apps from unknown sources now, which is to install the Fortnite game into your Redmi phone. So you want to click on the settings as well, go over here, and then click on the allow from this source option. And now once it is done, you want to click on the check button, then click on OK. Click on install now, and as you can see, this is now the Fortnite game being downloaded and installed into our Redmi phone. So you want to give it about a minute. The game should actually be up to 12 gigs. You can also see that the game has been scanned by the Xiaomi protection as well. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or as well come over to your Redmi phone now. You should actually be able to find it as one of the list of apps. Go ahead and open it up directly from here. Click on the allow button, and then give it all of the permission it requires. And as you can see from over here, this is the Fortnite game being downloaded and installed into our Redmi phone. At this point, all you just have to do is to let the download finish, sign into your Fortnite account, and you're good to go. You can now play Fortnite on any Redmi phone you have, as long as it meets the requirement to download the app. Now for the second method, if you're part of those that your Redmi phone does not meet the requirements to download the Fortnite game and play from the Epic Games Store, Basically, what you want to do is to head over to your browser. I'll be using the Google Chrome browser this time around. You just want to go ahead and search for Xbox Cloud Gaming. Once it loads up, at the top of the browser should actually be the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Go ahead and select that. You would actually need a Microsoft account to be able to use this website. So click on the profile icon at the top over here, and then proceed to sign into the Xbox Cloud Gaming website with your Microsoft account. So you can go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account if you already have yours, but if you do not have yours, you can as well go ahead and create one and then sign in from over here. So I'll just go ahead and sign into my own account. I already have one, and now I am signed in. Now, once the website loads at the top, you can see that I am now logged in, and you can as well go ahead and download the web application of the Xbox Cloud Gaming by simply clicking on the install button over here. But basically, to play Fortnite at this point, you can go ahead and just search for it from the top of the website. But in my case, I have been actually playing it for some time, so I'll just go ahead and jump back into the game. You can see it over here. Keep in mind that for this method, you will actually need a good internet speed for you to be able to properly play Fortnite on your Redmi phone. To also fully enjoy the game, I will recommend you put your phone on landscape mode. Okay, so you can see now I am currently playing Fortnite on my Redmi phone using the second method, and this works absolutely well without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.